Welcome to Psyche Unlocked, the spirituality and astrology quiz channel where you can test your knowledge and discover new insights. There are only 2 rules: answer within 5 seconds and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Let's go.
What color is typically associated with the root chakra? C. Red. Which zodiac sign is ruled by Venus? B. Taurus. The concept of Kundalini refers to what in spiritual practice? B. Serpent energy rising. In astrology, which planet is associated with sudden changes and disruptions? A. Uranus. Which sign is known for its nurturing qualities? B. Cancer. The third eye chakra is most closely associated with which of the following? B. Intuition and insight. What is the ruling planet of Libra? A. Venus. Which element is connected to the heart chakra? C. Air. In astrology, the 10th house is primarily concerned with what aspect of life? B. Career and public reputation. Which zodiac sign is represented by the archer? C. Sagittarius. What does the term astrological transit refer to? B. Current movements of planets. The concept of ahimsa in spiritual practice means what? B. Nonviolence.